What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's a special day. Yes, it is. It's the end of the month. And as you know, towards the end of the month, I always get my two 1 ounce silver coins. I'm sure they're going to be shiny. And as always, they will be timeless. So I'm going to share those two coins with you right now. Let me transition over to myself so you can see me. You don't think I'm some AI. There I am. And here are the two coins. I already pulled them out of the package, so you don't have to see me cut these up with my scissors. All right. So if you saw my last month's video or the video before that month, so let's see, what are we in May? So April's video and March's video, I got a trident. Forgot from what country. I want to say Barbados, but I'm not 100% sure. But it was a trident. So I'm hoping I don't get a trident again. If I do, it's not really a big deal because it's a silver piece, right? But I would like to have a little variety in my silver coins. So let's see what I got for the month of May. And let's open this up. And the winner today is, oh, it's definitely not a trident. So it's the 2023 1 pound Gibraltar 2023. Who is that? Is that Lady Justice? What's this one called? You know what? I have it in my notes here. Hold on a second. It's close. 2023 Gibraltar Lady Justice. So that's what I got for the month of May. And you can see it's pretty intricate at the back. Coat of arms. It's pretty cool. After a while, all these coat of arms almost look the same. So that's the one I got. That's one of them. Second one. And if you've been following my videos, I usually get the same ones. All the 99.999% of the time, it's the same two coins. However, I bet if I bet on it, I'd probably lose. So let's see what we got. And here it is. I got the same one. So I got two 2023 Gibraltar Lady of Justice. Lady Justice. So here they are. Separately. Yeah, now I can go over to the River Styx. I think that's what it was. I think that's the mythology. I forgot who the person was that was guarding the River Styx. I think in order to pass the River Styx, you needed to pay the ferryman coins. I think that was the mythology. I think the Egyptians put coins in the person's mouth. It was to get over to the other side. Something like that. Anyway, I'm going off topic as usual. So those are my two coins for the month of May. I can't believe that this July will be 3 years. I'll be consistently at least getting two ounces of coin, 2 ounces of silver each month. So I'm building up a nice treasure chest. I have to get a bigger bank now because I got too much stuff in there. So anyway, that's really it. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.